What's going on YouTube? Bum in a Suit here, coming back with another box break 2011 limited. Feels kind of thick. Let me get a little base card and put it on the back. Alright, for the first base card, we're going to get an Aaron Rodgers. All of these are numbered to $4.99. Josh Cribbs. I will show the slow roll the hits. Bob Hayes, $4.99. Ryan Kerrigan, $4.99. Ryan Matthews to $2.49. First hit, good luck. It's going to be a jumbo patch, it looks like. Jumbo patch of, look at that, Shane Vereen. Holy crap, we were talking about him earlier. That's all I pulled at Nationals. Shane Vereen, two color, actually not two color, excuse me, dual one color patch. Shane Vereen. Gonna slow roll the next hit. That's numbered to 49. Shane Vereen is numbered to 49. Yeah, my guy. Good luck. Nice patch. Is that a Jet? It is. Bilal Powell. Bilal Powell jumbo patch. Nice looking patch for the Jets. Bilal Powell. And let me see what that's number 2. That is number 2. 2 of 10. Oh, that Bilal Powell's number 2 of 10. And the last card, I think it goes this way. Good luck. It's going to be a rookie. Nice. A little Ryan Mallett action. Too bad that the jersey's all one color. Little Patriots box there. Ryan Mallett got a nice little autograph. Ryan Mallett rookie patch auto. That is number 2, 199. 140 of 199. So we got the Ryan Mallett, the Bilal Powell, numbered 2 of 10. And the Shane Vereen. So the Patriots doing pretty good so far. Come back with some more box breaks. Bum in a Suit out.